Whether you are an employee or an entrepreneur, your goal in working is to make money. That's all well and good. However, there are other things you might love to do without expecting any profit from it. You just want to please your soul because you find comfort, happiness, and relaxation doing them. These are your passions. Maybe it's skydiving, painting, writing, learning new languages, boxing, martial arts, crafting, or motivating and inspiring other people. It requires you to put in some energy just like you do for your job. When you decide to embark on a passion, it becomes your passion project. The cool thing about it is that it makes you happy and helps you become a better version of yourself. Welcome to this channel, Lifestyle Tips by Antoaneta. Here we discuss business, motivation, and daily lifestyle that will help you to have a balanced and successful life. Now that you have a passion project idea, the next thing is to execute and complete it. This is where many people find it hard to continue. Their business or job makes it difficult for them to get the project moving. So, they wait for the right moment. But the right moment rarely comes. You have to make the moment right and kickstart your journey. In this video, we will show you ways you can begin and walk your passion project to success. We have a bonus for you, so it's best that you watch till the end. Number 1. Select a passion. The first step to success in anything you want to do is clarity. An average person has more than 10 passions. So, you need to choose one passion for working on at a time. This will help you to focus and direct your energy and time towards its execution. More importantly, you will be able to skyrocket your journey and complete the project faster. Number 2. Know your why. What's the motivation behind the project you want to begin? Why do you think it's important to make sacrifices to complete it? The answers you provide to these questions will help you to get started and push through at those times when the flame of motivation has gone low. Write down your current passion project and what makes it an important one to embark on. Put it somewhere you can always see it. It'll serve as a reminder for you to go all in and get it done. Number 3. Create time. Most of the time, the number one reason people give for not getting their passion project moving is the lack of time. We all know that jobs and other things have occupied our time. However, just like we have said, when you know that your project is important, you will find time for it. Here is how you can do that. Keep track of how you spend your day for a week. You will be surprised at how much time goes into things that are not really important. All you need is to chip in your project execution into those periods and get it running. Number 4. Take baby steps. We just finished talking about time. So, it'll be best if we follow this tip. The first most essential step for your passion project is to get started. Don't let the idea of "I don't have enough time" stop you from getting started. You cannot figure everything out at once. So, it's better to get on the train and explore the journey till you get it completed. Taking baby steps also requires that you divide your project into small tasks and get them done one after the other. This will save you from getting puzzled by the bulkiness of the project's big picture. Number 5. Create your plan. We all know that a goal without a plan is just a dream. And possibly, the one that will never become a reality. Since you have the intention to start your project, the next step is to create an execution plan. It'll keep you organized so that you can achieve the best in the minimum time possible. Number 6. Commit. Commitment is the key to your success in anything. When you are ready to commit, it means you are willing to give your all and do whatever it takes to get it done. You should create a commitment plan. Do you want to commit to your project daily, weekly, or every 2 days? You need to decide. And whatever your decision is, you have to commit and do whatever you say you will do. With this single habit, your success will not only be guaranteed, but you will also make a big difference in your business or work life. Number 7. Earmark some funds. This might sound strange, but it's the reality. Your passion project will cost you some money. Let's say your project is painting. You will need materials and knowledge to move it to complete, all of which is going to cost you money. While planning for actionable steps towards your project, always remember that funds are the driver of the vehicle. Evaluate how much your passion project will cost you and get the fund ready. It'll move your vehicle faster. In the case that you don't have it all at a time, you can start small and save up. The point is to know that you need funding and make preparation for it. Number 8. Know the required skills. Projects require different stages and skills from start to completion. So, you need to know the skills involved in your passion projects. List those skills and how you want to learn the ones you don't have yet. It might require that you take courses, classes, seminars, and so on. These 2 steps are very important to your success. Number 9. Let failure be your stepping stone. Life is not a bed of roses every time. Such is your passion project too. There will be good and bad times, and the earlier you prepare for this fact, the better. When things don't go smoothly at some point, you should see them as an opportunity to grow and not a reason to worry about your project. Learn from those failures and make them your stepping stone to success. Number 10. Be disciplined. At the beginning of a new task, we are always excited and full of motivation. But as time goes by, the energy we once had at an optimal level begins to drop. This is the same thing that happens to most people while working on their projects. Of course, it'll happen to you too. The journey of execution is like a burning flame. When you just lit it, the light is bright, and everyone can see it. The more time it is spent burning, the more dimmed it will become. Now you have to depend on your sense of sight to see the journey to the end. This is what is called discipline. Motivation is what gets you started, and discipline is what keeps you going till you see it till the end. Number 11. Take action immediately. The majority of people find it impossible to embark on their passion project because they overthink. This gives room for their fear and negative thoughts to grow and tie them down from taking action. We know you don't want to be like that. And that's why we made this video just for you. Suppose you enjoy it, like this video to show your appreciation and share it with other people. Remember to also subscribe to our channel to get more strategies that can help you live a fulfilled and fun-filled life. You need to reduce the time for thinking and accelerate into taking action. It's actions that will get you the result you want. Whatever the situation, action will always beat thinking. So, take action and get better, by the way. Your procrastination will die of starvation, and you will be glad you started. Number 12. Write it down. Do you have streams of ideas flowing through your head? Write them down. Writing your ideas do 2 things for you. First, it helps you keep a clear head, and second, it is an easy backup file. With the endless thoughts flowing in and out of the human mind, you can easily forget things. But once you have them on paper, you have preserved them. You can get to them later. Number 13. Track your progress. It's always important that you keep track of your progress with your passion project. It'll help you to know how far you have gone, what you are doing right or wrong, and fixing them. That way, you can keep your project going smoothly to completion. Number 14. Connect with people of like mind. This is one of the essential habits of successful people. They connect with people with the same passion, goals, and values as them. You can also do that for your passion project. Link yourself with as many people of like mind as possible, especially if you can find those that have already achieved the passion you want to embark on. Number 15. Remember the goal, but focus on the present moment. Anxiety and fear are 2 big stumbling blocks that can keep you from doing what's necessary today to get the passion project to the promised land. And most of the time, they come from focusing too much on the big goal. Instead of raising your fear with obsession, why not keep your goal for reminder purpose and direct your mind to do what will take you closer to your goal today? That will help you take action and keep going. Number 16. Be realistic. As much as it's important to dream big, you shouldn't forget to be realistic with your targets. Don't set tasks beyond what you can do so that you won't start feeling unworthy or lose your esteem. Do what you can every day towards the completion of your passion project, and the process will be as fascinating as the day you complete it. Number 17. Request more time. As you get more involved with your passion project, you might need more time beyond just your spare time. This can be done by looking at those times you can sacrifice. You can ask for more flexibility at your work or create free time or vacation in your business. It'll help you to get more done and get there faster. Number 18. Confide in yourself. If you don't trust and believe in yourself, hardly one will other people believe in it. Even though what others think about what you are doing is not relevant, how much you confide in yourself that you can do it is significant to your progress. It's a mindset that will help you take needed action without worrying if you are capable or not. The best way you can build your confidence is by giving yourself a daily challenge towards your goal and making sure that you complete them. We promised you a bonus at the beginning of this video. Now we can keep our promise. Keep your source of income. Yes! This is one of the truths you will hear today. Don't quit your job or business because you want to follow your passion. Both are important in your life. Your job takes care of your bills while your passion makes you happy. You might be surprised that happiness will find no way to your door. Suppose you can't put food on the table and secure a shelter for yourself. So, let each perform its function. Engage in your passion project while you have your source of income flowing smoothly. If you learned something from this video, please give it thumbs up, share and subscribe to our channel for more. What stage are you in your passion project? Are you still lost in your ideas, or have you begun to take action? Let's know your answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching and remember, always stay very motivated. See you in the next video.